This is the new car. Alright, so for the past hour I've been recording, and due to me having a new camera slash phone, yeah, my settings didn't like it, so it was very fast forwarded, and audio was destroyed. So, let me do a little bit of reciting. As you can see, my hands are already dirty. I've already been under there doing some stuff. So let me start this video again. Welcome back to another episode of Project Driveway. Miata time. My hair's messy. My hay fever's bad. I'm in the same clothes as last week because they're already dirty. It's a good day today. It's a good day for some Miata gearboxes. It's just not the same when I got to recite it. It's just not the same. I'm also trying to think of what I said. Yeah, well, I did get a new camera, so let me know how this goes, if it's better or if it's worse. Please let me know so I can change and adapt and improvise. At the moment, there's gearbox oil on the floor because I pulled the tail shaft off. But I've got a little bit of footage of that. I'll just play it at the start of me pulling it off. It's in fast forward for some reason too. I don't know. So that was a headache and a half. But yeah, let's start this episode again. So, you've seen a little snippet of me getting that tail shaft off, and I pulled it out of the gearbox. Where is it? Right there. And it made a mess, so I gotta clean it up, because I'm gonna have to lay there. Oh. Alright, so that's good all on the rear end. We don't need to touch that anymore. We're on the front, so as you can see there, that is the auto shifter. So like, you move that bracket like back and forth inside the car, and then it removes this rod. But we're gonna disconnect that. I don't know if I'll do that now or later. But what we've got next, I don't know if I'm gonna move this jack. I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I'm gonna move it. Oh shit! No, lift that up. Fuck. It all just pissed out of the back. I don't know why the fuck I didn't think of that. Ah! I'm gonna have to clean it up. Okay. We're getting it in. After most of it went on the floor. Alright, so we drained out. Oh, the camera's gone haywire. We drained out whatever's left, like barely anything, because it all went on the feckin' floor. So we got the inspection hole. This is the engine and the gearbox, where the flywheel would go, but in case of an automatic, the flex plate and the stall converter. Not really stall converter. I can't think of the word, but it's in there. Oh, it's so oily. And so I can see one here. You can't, but if I grab a torch, you'll be able to see. So hold up. Alright, so you can see in there now. You can see that little bolt head, or that bit just sticking out right there. Yeah, we're gonna unbolt those. I'm pretty sure. I see 1, 2, so there's probably about 4 or 5 in there. So we're gonna line those up with, like, we're gonna get like a screwdriver And I only got 2 hands. I can't really do this. Let's see how long my finger is. Alright. Yeah, this isn't working. So we're going to jam like a screwdriver. It's just focusing on my finger. Jesus. What if I do this? Jam a screwdriver in the teeth and like just kind of turn it around. So we can get the bolt head where we need it. Undo it. And then once they're all out, we can start undoing all the bolts for the gearbox. Not sure where the starter motor is. It's probably somewhere. I'm not sure. It's in neutral. You won't be able to see much because it's up high and in a little crevice. How am I going to move this? Like that? Yeah, okay. I got a pry bar instead of damaging or snapping a screwdriver. So we just turn that around. Alright, so we've got one bolt there. What looks to be a 14, maybe. And I bet you my 14 spanner's on the other side of the car. No, it's here. Alright. Is it a 14? Might be a 13. Because you can get the gearbox off without doing this, but you're going to have fluid coming out everywhere from the... It's not called a stall converter. What is it? Fucking... I can't even think of it. Because I'm retarded. But yeah, it'll if you don't undo these, it'll just rip it apart. You won't break it. Well, sort of. You got to put it back together. But it's just a lot easier doing it this way. No, it is a 14. It's probably like some American size. I doubt it, but it's a little bit loose. And it's still moving. Can I like jam a thingo in there? Ah! How do I lock that up? Ow. Ow. Fuck, that hurt. Oh. That didn't work. Fuck. This is not going to go well, is it? I think I got it. Oh my gosh. I did. I got one. Yay, everybody. And as you can see, easy as that. Not really. I'm going to try and get the rest of these off. When you put an auto box back on, for example, would you do it this way, or would you bolt the converter to the flex plate and then put the box on, if that makes sense? Let me know in the comments, because I don't know which way is easier to putting on. I know like it'll have no fluid in it, because if you take it off like this with the fluid in it, it'll just go everywhere as you break it apart. Like, not the way I'm doing it, the way if I didn't take these bolts out, if I'm making any sense whatsoever. But let me know, because I'm actually curious. So it looks like we got all of them without stripping any, which is fucking exceptional. I'm so happy. But anyway, so what we're gonna do now, I'm going to disconnect all the plugs that I can see. We'll try and find on the auto box, like the I don't know. I'm gonna try and find those. Unplug those. Unplug the shifter link. And then we can starter motor, of course, and then we can start unbolting the gearbox. Hopefully.